Wherever you plant your heart, wherever you make your art, class is in session, Mrs. Scribbles.
Hey friends, my name is Miss Scribbles and class is in session. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil and let's get started on this really cool gingerbread house. You're going to start by doing a rainbow. It's going to be really skinny, and then we're going to connect it at the bottom with a straight line. Let's go all the way around and do another rainbow and then connect it at the bottom. That's the front door of our gingerbread house. Around this rainbow, I want to do gumdrops. Those are going to look like small rainbows. With each of these rainbows, do your best to make them the same size. Don't worry, no one's perfect. If you don't feel like you're doing this well, you can pause the video, slow it down, or erase and try again. I am cheering you on. Okay, let's add a doorknob because you have to open the door, right? A circle almost on the right side of that rainbow that you first drew. Okay, coming from the side, the right side, we're gonna do a line that curves and then comes down. Let's do the same thing on the left side. Let's give our gingerbread house 2 windows on the right and the left side. That's gonna look like a square. And then another square right on the inside of it. Let's give that square a line going up and down and a line going side to side. Amazing. Let's do it again on the left side. A square with a square inside, a line going up and down, and a line going side to side. Where do you think this gingerbread house is from? Do you think people in other countries celebrate Christmas? I really hope so. It's such a special time of the year. Okay, underneath our windows, we're gonna do some window boxes. That's where we'll put some flowers. But for our gingerbread house, we're gonna make these window boxes candy canes. All you're gonna do to make a window box is do a small rectangle underneath your window. You want the left and right side to come out a little bit farther than the window's edge. Then do some diagonal lines, and when you're coloring later, do every other space as red and white. I love how this is turning out. Okay, let's work on the roof of our gingerbread house. Okay, let's draw the roof. When I was first drawing this roof, my little boy said, "Mom, the roof looks like a Christmas tree." But actually, it's just kind of slanted so that when it rains, it pours right over the top of our thatch roof and floats all the way to the ground, not getting inside. I want you to feel really free with this roof. You're going to come down on each side, moving towards a center point, but giving it some swirls and things that you would see if you were looking maybe at a gingerbread house in the Sahara. I absolutely love how this is turning out. Do you see how we're getting closer and closer to that point at the top? I'm giving it that extra detail, but you are an artist, so feel free to do whatever you feel led to do. Okay, we're almost at the top, so we're gonna give it that point, and I guess it does look kind of like a Christmas tree. I'm gonna do some lines coming down so that thatch roof really has that texture that we know it does. If you're not sure what the meaning of thatch is, it might be helpful to grab an adult and look up some pictures online. Thatch roofs are so cool. Okay, let's do some gumdrops at the bottom of our gingerbread house. You're going to go from the left side and then all the way across the bottom, but we're going to skip the spot where the door is. Perfect. Now let's create a trapezoid. A trapezoid is where the top line and the bottom line, even though they're the same direction, they're not the same width. So that top line and that bottom line are going the same way, but that top line is a little bit shorter than that bottom line, making those outer two lines have to diagonal in. Let's give it some stripes. Okay, next up, we're gonna do the ground on either side of our gingerbread house. That's just gonna look like a squiggly line. So on that right side, squiggly line all the way out. And on the left side, I want you to do the exact same. Amazing. Let's do some leaves. On that left side, I want you to do a curved line and a curved line back with that point at the end, and then a line all the way through the middle. Curved line, point, curved line, and a line all the way through the middle. Amazing. Okay, this part might be a little difficult. Don't be too hard on yourself, okay? We're gonna do a tree. So I'm drawing the trunk of the tree. It's going to come to a small point at the bottom ground and then go all the way up. But as you go up, your branches are going to go out. I'm doing 3 branches that are going to come from our skinny trunk. On the top of that, I want you to do leaves, but you're not going to see every individual leaf. So I'm doing cloud shapes to create that leafy, bushy texture. I'm going back and forth so that I can draw the trunk going through the leaves. In the middle, I'm going to get wider, and at the top, it's going to come to a point, but not too pointy. Amazing. I love this. I'm going to add a few detail lines just to give it that fluffy feel. Okay, let's add the trunk going through the middle. You'll see how I do it in that break. Exactly, and then 2 more lines right in the middle there. Now it feels like our branches are going through the leaves. Let's add some ornaments. It is Christmas. The ornaments are going to be circles. I'm also going to do some ornaments hanging off the tree. What I'll do with that is I'll do circles almost floating in the air, and then I'll do a straight line going up back into my tree. Let's do some leaves on the right side. So curved line to a point, all the way back, and a straight line right down the center. I'm going to do 2 to match the left side that also has 2. The final thing I want to do to add to my awesome gingerbread house is I want to do a star on the left side. This is a different star. It's kind of like a diamond, but on each side, I'm going to curve in.
Friends, you did a great job. Let's add some color now.
is in session. Mrs. Scribbles. Mrs. Scribbles.